So this is the thing that you probably can put in your head. It may seem a bit vague, but this is really all file write does, is it replaces every occurrence in list of this cons constructor with F, and it replaces any occurrence of nil with Z. Okay, so it goes through this list, and anywhere there's a cons, it replaces it with F, and anywhere there's a nil, it replaces it with Z. And let's not forget that not all lists have a nil. Okay, so the list from 1 to infinity has no nil, for example. It's an infinite list. So in which case, it never replaces anything. Okay? That's all it does. What exactly does that mean? Well, list is a recursive data structure, yeah. But you're free to think about file write as doing recursion on a list. So that's sort of a high-level explanation, yeah. Yeah, it just, or you can think about it as like a list is like this recursive data structure of cons cells, and file write will go through via recursion, replacing all those cons with F in no particular order. None of us in this room care about the order of execution of programs anyway, right?
You lost me with that. Not every list has a nil constructor. I just never appreciated that. I thought 1 to infinity isn't it a recursion starting with that nil constructor?
Well, how about we write this function here called repeat? And what it does is it takes a value, okay, and what it does is it conjures that value onto the repeat of that value. So you'll see that I didn't use nil in anywhere and at any point. And now I'm just going to ask for this value, which is repeat 7, and here's this value. And if we want to get back to the slides, I'm going to have to kill this, right? So does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? So